Hi, let me introduce this wireless Dahua router. So for your home needs, for small office needs, we have AC1200 or AC12. So these are 1.2 G speeds, and let's just read some more features. The functions, we have the frequent 300 Mbps wireless 802.11 BG. Then it supports guest network. It has multiple antennas with MIMO. It supports Wi-Fi and parental control. Then the hardware, we have 4 ports. One port which is 1000 Mbps one, and then 3 ports which are 1000 Mbps LAN with 64 MB RAM. And looking at the packaging, this is how the packaging looks like. And I'm going to open it. So when you open the package, this is what you find. You get the router, which I'll go back to. You get the manuals, you get the LAN cable, and the power adapter. This is a complete setup for your consumption needs. But looking at the router itself, number one, you note it has 4 antennas, meaning that the wireless signal efficiency is super. Then we look at the ports. There's a reset button, there's WPS, then 4 LAN ports, and of course DC in. So with this type of router, you have your home wireless network needs solved. If you need this, feel free to reach out and we'll be able to sort you out with the best Dahua products for your home and enterprise needs. So thank you so much and have a blessed time.